I'm heading. I'm going to the wholesale. I'm not gonna buy something, but the sun is so hot. So now I have to walk to a different wholesale because that shop never have what I wanted. So I have to go down the road. Someone. Finally get some cool shit. Before reach the next shop, I'm have to walk go back straight up the road. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. So yeah. Yeah, I think so that man there kinda pervert to me. So anyways, I got my nail glue. So no you guys, I'm not putting on nails as yet. So buying for somebody. Woo. Pervert Monday. Hi you guys, right now I'm about to meet Renee at the bus stop. So I'm gonna meet her now. No, I'm gonna take up the vlog camera a good while. I apologize. So when I see Renee, I'll come back to y'all, okay? Years after I'm see Renee, finally see her. I should bought my chocolate. So I'll go home because she looks sexy. All these things. You know Miss David, you know Miss David?
What's up everybody?
What? So I'll go up, we'll chat because she look tired and popped up. So when we reach home, we'll get back to you guys. So yes. So we're there, I chill when I eat melon. I watch some videos on YouTube like always because I don't watch TV, you know. Why you watch more TV than YouTube or more YouTube?
Can't tell me so much TV, you know what's good on YouTube.
Melon sweet.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
I like it cool and then you just
I like it when it's cool.
why?
You can't my teeth. I feel cool water, man.
That's she's weird. So if you guys don't have her on Snapchat, make sure you guys go and add Renee on Snapchat. I need it to be right there. So make sure you add her. She will add you back. And I hope you all of you must have me on Snapchat by now. So may I just go back to do what I was doing and go and chat. So I catch you guys shortly. Renee talk, right? Just a while ago. So I say Renee, you eat melon seed? Guess what Renee say?
But melon seed can't eat. I say no, I eat melon seed. I tell her, I can't see.
Yeah, everybody know melon.
No, look white one them me you know look white one like when I develop it, I don't know.
Oh.
Yeah, so one day. Make the white one but I never know some melon seed can eat.
Of course melon seed can eat. You guys tell me if melon seed can eat.
Because tell me who eat melon seed eat melon seed because first me I hear this.
Because you're eating melon every minute you can pick up the seed.
Of course.
Who does that? Not
me.
me.
I don't want to eat and a bite the melon seed.
Taste it, you not taste no way.
You're weird.
So every time she bites, she spit out the melon.
Yeah. I said for girls, some know people eat melon. I don't know where you get that from. I said for that one.
Yeah, we eat the seed. Yeah.
So that's no sir. At first me hear this now. You know tell me if I eat melon seed.
You because they see every minute.
I don't know if I see it.
Just bite the melon, my girl. Yeah, you pay for bite the melon.
Yeah, but I'm going to pick out the seed.
Bye bye. Renee's going to cream my hair. So you're supposed to see it before this vlog. So
She just a scratch it up so if it burn up, it's not my fault.
Renee, so she can do ear.
I made my ear so no
yeah, she can do her thing, man. So when she finish eat the melon, and she not finish for now because she had to take out the seed. So
eat the white part of melon?
no.
Me eat the white part?
Who eat the right? No.
The white part tastes better than the seed.
No, the white parts don't taste good. You're not supposed to eat the white part.
And
You
white
mean-
part
you
of
mean the
fig.
bottom part, right?
Yeah, it's the white part right there.
No.
Yeah, man.
No, you guys, please comment below and tell me how you eat melon, yeah? Because something wrong with this girl. So,
Full up a tree, man. Kid again, man.
you love Miss Bear?
I love Leesberry and sweet sap. I said, name look over. And sweet, yeah, sweet sap.
Yeah.
So what do we then?
I eat them, of course.
Oh.
Well, across the road. We're out to buy a soup. So, well, we went up the road and we bought Renee's soup. And while I was about to vlog, guess what? My battery died.
The soup soon finished still. Well, I'm belly me never feel so well.
Yeah, so she's having red peas soup with chicken foot, yam.
Alright.
What else in there?
Dumpling.
Dumpling. That alone?
Yeah.
So, just don't go home and leave me still. So, we'll just stay here as usual. When you're foodie like me, you know, all of my friends
No,
are food.
you're a foodie. Are you where to go for?
Me? But I soon lose some weight because I want to play hockey. Yeah, because I used to play hockey if you didn't know. And she had to drive with me. Where to play. I want to teach her how to play hockey. So, can show you guys when she's finished, I guess. Nice here. Finally finished.
Jackfruit over with.
Yeah, I gave her some jackfruit. So she's about to go home right now. I'm waiting to put her in a taxi.
Yeah, jackfruit see too.
No. Oh, the same thing about the melon and the jackfruit. No, who eat jackfruits? Some people. May say
Some people roast it.
may say some people boil jackfruits.
Boy, I think I roast.
I
We're
roast
gonna
it.
come more on a taxi.
We can go Apple Tree. No, you're not bother. No. Oh, Tony. It's going downtown, Kingston. And she's going to Apple Tree. So, how was today with me?
Fun as usual.
Yeah, she said she love. When I really fancy jackfruit,
I
but
love jackfruit.
it's alright. I can't really like. I don't really enjoy having a lot, but
Really?
I'm kind of picky.
You have everything.
No one. I rather Nisberry, sweet
I
sap,
have this bird tree. I make the whole of them rotten.
sweet sap, sour sap. I love sugar cane. You know,
Yeah, I
yeah,
love cane.
yeah.
Like, you know, the fun one.
Eh? Oh yeah, the cake from Spanish Town. Yo. What else I like? Yeah, those are the things that I really rather.
Like, you know.
Yeah, I like, you know. Peanut man, I say every time I see you, you will never have the money now. When I have the money, I can never see you. You say peanut. Like, every time I have the, every time like I just leave my house and I come for just buy something in pass. And then I want to have the money for buy it, I don't see. So I don't know where to see Rennie again. When am I going to see her again? Whenever breeze,
I was available.
anytime breeze blow her this side.
I'm a school just right around the road and Peter girl they never come look for me.
Because I'm busy. If you don't see me, I'm busy. So I will talk to you guys when I'm home. So yeah. So later you guys. Not tell them bye.
Bye guys. No, no, when I come back on Peter girl channel, but hope soon.
Yeah. So yes. Remember to check out if you haven't watched my how Renee process my hair, relax my hair, go and check it out. Because it's already up on my channel. And tell me what you think about it. guys, right now I'm going to buy lunch. Every time you guys see me, I'm always buying food. Anyways, I want to buy lunch. So when I reach, I come back. Oh, Renee did my hair. This is second day here. Because I pulled out the curls yesterday. So this is second day. Tell me if you guys like it. If you guys haven't watched the video but I posted, you guys should also check it out. How Renee relax my hair and we style it quick and easy, 1 2. So I'll talk to you guys later. So you guys, I'm going home now. So when I reach home, I chat to y'all. Good morning, you guys. Yesterday I totally forget to end the vlog because I had to rush out on the road to do some business. So yes, I plan to give my post notification. Today's post notification shout out goes to, hold on. Today's post notification goes out to J Cool. Yes, you J Cool. Thanks for having your post notification on. So if you guys would like a post notification shout out first, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Hit the bell so you can always be notified when I post a video. Comment when done. Meaning, anytime I see a video of mine's posted, you just comment and tell me what you think about my video, and then maybe you can be the lucky person and give a post notification shout out too. So that's it for today's vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.